Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a new class. Please don't forget your material, your classwork notebook, homework notebook, Maze book, Supermind's book, and your pencil case. Now that you are ready, let's start. Today we are going to check a grammar video. Our topic is going to be is slash are there. So let's start. First, let's check this. A and an. We are going to use a or an with singular nouns, with countable nouns. An is only for vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and A is only for consonants. The rest of the alphabet, except the vowels, okay? So remember once again, A or an are only for singular nouns and countable. An for vowels and A for consonants. Let's check two examples. There is an ice cream. In this case, notice how we are using an because ice cream starts with a vowel, with the vowel I. Next example. There is a ball. In this case, we are using A because ball starts with a consonant. Very good. Let's continue. The next word is some. Please repeat some. We are going to use some with plural nouns, countable or uncountable. Affirmative sentences. For example, there are some books. In this case, we have plural, countable because you can count the books, and the sentence is affirmative. Next, there is some sugar. In this case, sugar is uncountable and it's an affirmative sentence. But we can continue using so. Next example. Well, next word is any. Repeat, any. We are going to use any with plural nouns, countable or uncountable, but in this case, negative sentences and questions. Let's check. There aren't any eggs. This is a countable noun, eggs, and it's a negative sentence. There aren't any eggs. Next. There isn't any water. Uncountable noun, water, and a negative sentence. There isn't any water. Now let's check. Are there any apples? Yes, there are some. Notice in the question we are using any because it's a question, but in the answer we are using some because it's an affirmative sentence. It's an affirmative answer. Yes, there are some. Or no, there aren't any. In this answer we are using any because it's negative. So it's a question, it's plural, and it's countable. Let's go with an activity. Instructions. Write the sentences in your classwork and complete them with a, and, some, or any. So over here you have all the sentences that you need to complete. Okay, so in this moment, please pause the video, write the questions in your classwork, and complete them with the correct option. When you finish, you can come back and we will check together the answers. Okay, very good. So if you are here, it's because you finished with the activity. So on the number 1, let's see what is the correct answer. We have, is there any tea in the kitchen? We are using any because it's a question. Is there any tea in the kitchen? Number 2, this is an interesting book. Well, remember book is only 2 O's, okay? This is an interesting book. We are using an because it's singular object. It starts, the next word starts with a vowel, with I. Number 3, there aren't any glasses. We are using any because it's a negative sentence. Number 4, there isn't any tea in the teapot. Once again, any because it's negative sentence. Number 5, there are some boys in the class. Some because it's affirmative sentence and it's plural. Number 6, there are any oranges in the fridge. Any because it's a question. Number 7, there are some popcorn in some because remember we are talking about small pieces. Number 2, are there any lamps in the house? Are there any lamps in the house? Any? Because we have question. Number 9, there is a big garden in the park. There is a big garden in the park. 10. Is there any zoo in your town? Question. Is there any zoo in your town? Okay, very good. So I hope you got the correct answers. If you didn't, please in this moment correct them. Remember, if you have any question, you can write down the question in your classwork and in the class we can answer these questions, okay? Very good. So, see you soon in our online class. Have an excellent day, okay? See you in the class. Ciao.